I'm working on something right now that I'm very passionate about, and I think that everybody would think that is pretty cool as well.
I was able to design a new SNP chip. So this is a genotyping platform. It just means a change in the DNA. It's like a DNA variant.
I actually program the robots that move the chemicals around for testing purposes to be able to ensure that safety profile.
The natural products that I am working on, they are regarded as green chemistry. So a lot of those solutions are not only beneficial to the farmers because they have very specific mode of actions, but that they also have very low environmental burden.
We use all kinds of fancy tools. We use edge computing, we do modeling and simulation, we do data science.
In my current role, I write mostly JavaScript, Java, and Swift and Python. So I'm using a variety of like 4 different languages.
Artificial intelligence, which is a big buzzword. And then you have machine learning as a subset of that, which is really statistical algorithms that are used for learning different endpoints.
It blows my mind every day, the new things that people are trying with drones and automatic applicators and all kinds of different technologies, and how it's really changing the landscape of agriculture.
I love going after questions that we don't have answers to, and then once we find the answer, it's kind of liberating, and then I'm always looking for the next questions that I want to go answer.
In Ag+Bio+Science, one of the benefits is that there's a lot of ground to be made. So there's a lot of technology to build, maybe that doesn't exist yet.
There's a lot of opportunity with Internet of Things and data analytics really driving how we can make a change.
We know where we are now, we know what we can test now, but what will this look like in 5 years? Is there a new system we could bring online? Is there a new way we could integrate different pieces of equipment together to make our lives a little easier in the long term?
You would think that all of the problems of the world for animal health have already been solved because we've been doing it for so long, but the world is changing and the problems and the pressures are new and really demand us to be innovative.
A lot of industries out there that are very developed that you can come in and do a great job, and I'm sure there's a lot of good work to do, but there's nothing, I don't think, in my perspective, as impactful as ag and the difference that can be made.
I'm happy with my role in ag-bio-science. One, because I know I'm having a broader, larger impact, helping to feed the growing world. 2, because of my co-workers, the teams that I've had a chance to work with. There's really great people here.
What caused me to stay in Ag+Bio+Science was realizing that I could come into work every day and be creative.
I think about feeding the world and how my work can transport that almost every day.
There are those world problems that agriculture could potentially help solve, like feeding the world and I guess improving our ecological impact. And that's something that bringing the technology and the bioscience applications to agriculture are really important for. And it's really cool that I can be a part of that.